Member of the Philippine National Police. Thus, he earned this distinct honor and credit not only for himself and the national capital region and the whole PNP organization as well. By command of Police Major General Nartates Jr., Official Rolly S. Octavio, Police Brigadier General, the Chief of Regional Staff, signed Rodel A. Pastor, Police Colonel, the Chief Regional Personnel and Records Management Division. Manila Police District.
But may cohort siya na lumaban kayo ng accounting cohorts. We are accounting for another 3 and we are accounting for another 3 dapat sila. And then yung dalawa, yung sergeant sa hindi police officers ng station master and district intelligence. Ang inisip niya yung 9,000. Don't worry, nandito si Chief.
Yes, thank you po, sir.
Sir, yung iba, may wala naman tama. Particular yung isa, they were saved by Best. Kasi yung isa dito, direct dito. Ako po siya, buti by Best. So,